Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we will be working on Excel 3B Tourism. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assessment without any confusion. If you need any help with blackboards, Cengage MyLab IT assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, midterm exam, final exam, or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, Framer, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Now let's start today's assessment and go through it step by step. Here is the title of assignment, Excel 3B Tourism. There is a project description, instructional project 3B Tourism. Move to the question number 1. Question number 1 is, open the Excel workbook Student Excel 3B Tourism downloaded with this project. Then in your textbook, turn to the project 3B and complete all the steps in activities 3 13 3.22. Basically in this question you will have to download this Excel workbook, student Excel 3B tourism from MyLab IT dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from MyLab IT dashboard, and then you will open your book in the project 3B, then complete all the steps in activity 3.13 and 3.22. I have already downloaded this file. Now we will move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is complete activity 3.13. In this cell you will have to type year 2016 and then drag this to the column F. Sorry, all the 2016 are appeared. Now we will have to type 2017. You will have to select these two cells first, 16, 17, and then drag this. Two 2017. Select these two cells first. These two cells first, then drag this. As you can see that the years are incremented now. 2017, 18, 19, and 20. Question number 2 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 3. Question number 3 is complete activity 3.14. In this activity, you will have to calculate the percentage increases of the years, and type of formula equals to C5 minus B5. Then divided by the B5. This one, the percent increases are calculated now. and then apply the accounting number format to this, and percentage are calculated now. Drag this. Question number 3 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 4. Question number 4 is complete activity 3.15. 3.15. Apply the percentage. Now we will move to the question number 5. Question number 5 is complete activity 3.16. In this activity, you will have to center this heading, projected tourism spending. Now move to the question number 6. Question number 6 is complete activity 5.17. Simply you will have to copy this amount from year 2020 to paste in this cell. Then write a formula equals to B13 multiply with if you need any help with the with this assignment, please feel free to contact me on my WhatsApp and email, and also contact me for your complete course. Question number 6 are completed. We have now completed 6 questions of this assessment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, midterm exam, final exam, or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for the student from Canada, USA, and many other countries. I have handled courses MyLab IT, MyLab Finance, MyLab Accounting, MyLab PowerPoint, MyLab Word, MyLab Access, and many more online courses. If you need any help with this task, feel free to reach out me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.